All right, on this episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we did finish up our linear regression models module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, we did start the error sanctioning module, but I didn't do much in this module yet. I just wanted just to start it to get it started. I didn't want to get my wires crossed with the linear regression module. So yeah, we're going to finish off here where we left off yesterday. Now, yesterday, if you can recall, we did add our input layer manually into our model, and we're going to go over the effects of that. So after running the model with our input layer, we now get back more information and our input layer returns. We still attempted to use the tf.correct method to no avail, but we'll include it anyway for future codes in case we get it working and we need it. Now this is that equation here, the tf.correct.utils. We still couldn't get it working, but I added it anyway just in case. This will return the new graph below with the additional information still manually drawn. Now this is how the entire equation will look on a return. As you can see, everything is the same except for our input layer. We now have two eights where there was none. So our batch size is still none for input and output, but now we have a shape of 8 for both our input and output. Now let me compare that with the original way we ran it. And as you can see, we had none, 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 and none for our input layers, meaning we had no information coming in or going out for our input layer until we manually added it into our model and altered that information. You can see we did that here with our input layer. Input shape equals 8. And that's what helped us get that additional information added to our plotted graph here. So now as you can see, we have an input layer with the input of a none for batch size and the 8 for shape, and then the output of none for batch size and the 8 for shape. And that's what we did to finish up our linear regression models module. Like I said, we did start a new module here, error sanctioning, and we'll pick that up tomorrow. But for now, this is the Python Poppy, and you guys stay Gucci.